Now talking about the default access modifier. The default access modifier is one which comes into the picture when you have not mentioned either public or protected or private. So the default modifier is something like there's no access modifier when you have written nothing. So what about the visibility of a default field? In that case, the default field, same package, same class, yes, it will be visible. Same package, different class, again, it will be visible. However, different package and inheritance, it will not be present, and different package altogether, it won't be present again. So this is the key highlight of access modifiers. This is your interview question. Your interviewers generally grill you on this topic, access modifiers and the difference between protected and default, and you have to stay firm on this topic and you have to answer, you have to keep answering. Your answers have to be consistent that the default is not visible in different packages with inheritance and the protected is visible in all subclasses no matter which package. And of course we are left out with private. So the private access modifiers is visible only in the same package and the same class and nowhere else. That is quite simple. So private and public are really easy. Protected and default are a bit tricky as to answering their actual behavior. Another interview question might be understanding that private is so special, that private only gives access when in the same package and the same class. How will you access private fields from different classes? And your answer would be getters and setters. So what exactly are getters and setters? Suppose you have a class, let's say employee. Each employee has his or her own private int salary. Now you want to access this salary from a different class. Let's say there is another class which is class manager. Here we are not extending employee, but you want to access this particular salary over here in this class. So how do you do it? So of course the answer is getters and setters. So what are getters and setters? Getters and setters are nothing but simple functions with public access modifiers. So public return type will be that of the variable which you want to return, public int get salary, and inside you just have to return salary. Now by doing so you have made visible your private variable, but what's the point? So what's the point of getters and setters? Why not have public itself? Why do you want to keep it private and expose it via a public method? Well, the answer is validation. You can perform certain validation before you return this. Now this is a simple code wherein I have not performed any validation, but in real life scenarios you will actually perform some validation before you return your salary. Some validation like, is the person who is accessing this, does he have actual authority to access this data? Is he of the right designation to access this data, and all of that. So that is where getters and setters come into the pictures. Getters and setters will actually help you get sensitive data in a secure manner. So that's all for this video and this series. We have come to an end. I'm playing the Batman music because it's the end. Dark Knight Rises to be precise. Man, what a movie, what a movie. Okay, coming back. If you guys like this video, please support us, support me. So let me know how you felt about the videos, the quality of teaching, the details and all of that. And that's it guys. I'll see you in the next series and some different series, hopefully. So yeah, enjoy the music.